Hey, this is Brice out here at NWA Mobility here in Springdale, Arkansas. I got Justin rolling around right now in our 2012 Amerivan that is an Eldorado. We just got this one pretty much out of the shop. We do have a few more things to do to it, but I wanted to get it online so people could see it. All right, like I said, here we go. We got a 2012 Dodge Caravan up for sale here at NWA Mobility. I want you to take a look at this little guy because this guy is really nice. Okay, manual ramp. It's not an automatic, so if you're looking for an automatic ramp that comes out of the van, this is not what this is. This is a manual ramp, manual door. So this is for somebody to drive this van and somebody else that may be in the wheelchair. I'm going to take a look at the inside for you. Walk up here. Take a look at this inside. Here we go. Really nice and clean. Back seats. This will seat 3 people. So if you need to take passengers along with you, they'll seat 3. Then we go up here to the front, and also this has got dual air, which most of them do. They're going to have front and rear air. This one has front and rear air. There's controls for the rear air, and it's blowing right now really nice and cold. And you know, we're getting into the summertime. Now, the thing about the Eldorado, and you can look it up at Google, the Eldorado van is about 4 inches lower than your regular vans. Plus, if you look down here, you look at the plate, this van is made with stainless steel on its floor. That's because they call it the no rust van. So it's really super nice and a little bit lower to the ground than your regular conversions. Also, you'll know that when the doors open right now, you can see this, the little lights are on, they come on. This is kind of a neat feature of the Eldorado. So it lights up the doors when you got the door open. All right, there we go. I'm gonna step back out. There you go with that. And like I said, we have a manual ramp. You'll notice on the manual ramp, it does have, it's hard to see, it does have this gear on it. So it makes it to where it's just not really hard to do manually by yourself. The gear helps you be able to open and close that ramp. There it is. We'll walk around it and show you everything about it. We're going to take the side view. You'll notice that I'm going to be pretty transparent on this van. There is nothing that's really a major dent down here. Now these are the side panels, which they call the running boards. And you know, got a little scratch and stuff like that, but it's not a new van. If you want it fixed, it can be fixed. We could do it in the shop, but we're not going to go to that right now. Headlights, we replaced the headlights and put brand new ones in it because we didn't like, you know, which nobody likes to have their headlights a little bit fogged over. So these headlights are brand new on the car. Nothing wrong with the front end. Walk around. You see, like I said, it is an Amerivan. There's a decal on it, which I can't see real good. There it is. I can see it now a little bit. I got the sun blaring at me. The biggest dent that I've got on this car is right. Well, it's kind of hard to tell, but it's right in there. You can see a little bit of scrape and stuff like that. Doesn't really hurt the function of the car. Then we'll go to the back end. Nothing on the back end. Really good and clean. Real good van. Like I said, it's a 2012 Dodge Caravan. Here's the good part on it. This van has only got, I'll get up here and get into it, let you see it. For 2012, got to shut the door here. There you go. You can see it, 103,355 on the mileage. Now right now I don't have the van really running. We just set it out here a minute ago. I'm going to go over here and look at the thermostat that we put in the car. I'm going to rev the engine up. You can watch the thermostat. And it's summertime, you know, it may need a little bit more Freon in it, but we'll rev it up here, see what we got. Pretty cool right now, and you can see the thermostat coming down right now as I rev up the car and getting it further down. Get it down to that blue line. So if you're driving the car, which naturally you would have it revved up. You're going to get the car down and it's going to get into the blue line. Just showing you that the AC is really good on the car. We went and did the AC work on it ourselves. So there you go, down to 40. That's in the good line. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. Looking for a really nice van, here you go. This is a really nice 2012 Dodge Caravan. Thanks a lot for looking, and check us out. We've got some more coming down the line. Over here I've got some of the cars that are going in the shop. That's a 2016 right there. I've got a 2015. Got two 2016s and a 2015 that we're going to be working on. So if you don't like that one, you want one that's newer, one of these 2016s can go, but they've got a little bit more miles on it. 2016 with around 140,000 miles. Thanks for looking. Check back with us. You can look at the website. We are NWA Mobility in Springdale, Arkansas. Just type in nwamobility.com and you can look at some of the cars that we have. Thanks for watching. Check us out.